Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. So, you know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know from product names, product codes, prices, SKUs, and launch dates. Just kindly ready your phones to take a screenshot for orders and availability. Kindly check with your CAs. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Cruise 2025 collection that will be launching November 8th. First, we have the No Way Trunk PM. Price of this one is 4,100 USD. For the SKU, guys, kindly stand by. So the material of this one is lambskin leather, colors noir. It measures 9.1 by 9.1 by 3.5 inches. I love the braided chain strap that it comes with. It would also come in the monogram canvas version reverse. The No Way Trunk PM with same price of 3,450 USD from the Cruise 2025 collection. It also measures 9.1 inches by 9.1 inches by 3.5 inches. So this is the reverse monogram version. I love the trunk details like the rivets. Then we have this very beautiful Speedy Trunk 20. I can still remember it when this walked the runway. The price of this one is 3,350 USD. Material is monogram canvas with black cowhide leather trims. Size is 8.1 by 6.3 by 4.3 inches with gold chain strap and trunk details as well. Then we have the Bloom PM. So this is a runway piece from the Cruise 2025. Price is 2,720 USD. Material is leather, as you can see here, with monogram canvas leather trims. It measures 8.3 by 8.3 by 6.3 inches with gold chain strap, gold hardware, and the bottom of this one is flower shaped, or like the LV flower. Then we have a new shoulder bag design. We have the Nova, size MM. Price of this one is 3,950 USD. Material is leather with monogram canvas trims. It measures 14.6 by 14.2 by 3.9 inches with gold hardware and detachable bag tag. Next, it would come in the Nova size PM. The price of this one is 3,550 USD. Material is leather with monogram canvas trim, as we could see here. It measures 12.2 by 7.9 by 3.5 inches with gold chain strap and detachable bag tag as well. Next, on the Cruise 2025 collection, so we have the Capucines Mini. Price of this one is 8,200 euro or 9,250 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is leather and body is embellished with rhinestones in animal print pattern with detachable strap. Next, we have this very beautiful mini square trunk. Price is 12,000 euro. Wow! So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It is a hard side trunk with top handle. It has a detachable strap. As you are going to notice, zooming in, we're going to see the Art Nouveau S-Lock hardware. Next, we have a new collection. So the Epi XL Heritage Collection that will be launching November 2024. First, we have the Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 4,200 euro. This is so beautiful. It comes with silver hardware as well. So this is material is Epi leather. So as you know me, guys, I am such a huge fan of Epi leather of Louis Vuitton. Next, we have the Christopher size MM. Price of this one is 4,000 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU, still part of the Epi XL Heritage Collection Men's Pre-Spring Summer 2025. Material is epi leather with cowhide leather trims, detachable bag tag, and silver hardware. That would be launching November 2024. Next, from the Park Sobo X Louis Vuitton collection, that will be launching November this year. Outdoor backpack. Price of this one is €3,100. So this one, material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable bag tag, and of course it would come with gold or brass hardware. Next, guys, we have the Bone wearable wallet. Price is €2,900 from the Men's Pre-Spring Summer 2025 collection. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims and detachable bag strap as well. So as you could see, so the leather strap, one side is monogram canvas and one is vachetta leather. Then guys, let us discuss the upcoming Colormania 2 collection. That will be launching November 7, 2024. First, we have the 16-watch trunk. For the price, it's available upon request with your CAs. Kindly take note of that one. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. Colorway of this one is the Bert Vorneo. Then we have the pyramid trunk. Price of this one is €20,200. Wow. So it would come in different or 4 trunks. So we have the John Saffron, we have the Rouge Seri, we have the Rose Pondicherry, and then of course we have the Blue Indigo. It would all come in silver hardware. That will be launching November 7, 2024. And then another trunk, we have the Coffret Joaillerie. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. Price is $8,600. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the Rose Pondicherry, and it would come with silver hardware. That will be launching November 7, 2024. And then we have the pyramid trunk. So price would be available upon request. We have SKU here for your reference. So the material or colorway of this one, so the biggest one is John Saffron. Then this is the Rose Pondicherry. The red one, of course, is the Rouge Seri. Then of course the blue is the Blue Indigo. That will be launching November 7th, 2024. Then guys, we have the Steamer wearable wallet. Price at €1,700. We have 3 colorways. So we have Blue Indigo. So this one, so going to see the interior is blue with stripes, the Louis Vuitton Neverfold. Then this colorway is the John Saffron, and the interior is John Saffron colorway as well. It would come with detachable leather strap with then we have the DOP kit. So price of this one is €1,490. So still part of the Colormania collection. So the material is Tyrolean. I love the Tyrolean leather. I've been told that this is very good for a bag because it is hard wearing. So as you're going to notice, just kindly take note that it comes with 3 SKUs for 3 different colorways. Then we have Keepall 50. Price is €3,300. We have SKU here. Material is the very beautiful Tyrolean leather. It would also come with the canvas interior, silver hardware. Color is Rouge Seri. It would come with detachable bag tag and detachable leather strap as well. Then we have Keepall 50 in the John Saffron colorway. Price is €3,300. Kindly take note. So this is how it looks like when you're going to open. Of course, I love the very luxurious Tyrolean leather that was used for Keepall 50. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a heart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5K subbies this year. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!